In the face of relentless low-altitude aerial threats, every second counts. MANTIS doesn't just respond, it retaliates, thundering to life in a mere 4.5 seconds. Within one heart-pounding minute, it can unleash a storm of 1,000 rounds, obliterating incoming weapons and drones from the skies. Recognizing the urgency, the German Bundeswehr has swapped its antiquated gear for Rheinmetall Air Defense's MANTIS, modular, automatic, and network-capable targeting and interception system. This state-of-the-art 35mm auto defense arsenal offers an unmatched force field, guarding the Bundeswehr's assets in the thick of war. Its modular prowess and near-instantaneous deployment fortify not just Germany's defenses, but those of its allies as well. Amid escalating tensions stemming from the Ukraine conflict, could MANTIS take down the latest threats from Russia? Forging steel wings. The German Bundeswehr faced difficulties in countering small incoming projectiles and protecting their army bases in Mashar-e-Sharif and Kunduz from insurgent attacks in Afghanistan. To address this, they awarded a €48 million contract to Rheinmetall Air Defense, formerly Oerlikon Contraves, in March 2007. The goal was to develop a close-range protection system called Netzbereichschutzsystem, or NBS MANTIS. Previously known as NBS CRAM, for counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar, it is a very short-range air defense system designed to safeguard the German Army's forward-operating bases. Its purpose is to detect, track, and shoot down projectiles within close range. The deployment of MANTIS is part of the Bundeswehr Army's comprehensive Future CISFLE air defense program. In November 2012, the German Air Force formally received the Rheinmetall-made MANTIS air defense system at a ceremony in Husum, Germany. MANTIS provides the Bundeswehr with a high-performance automated air defense system for asset protection. It is fully integrated into existing command and information systems and can effectively engage even the smallest targets using its programmable 35mm airburst advanced hit efficiency instruction ammunition, or AHEAD. With the phase-out of older air defense systems like Roland and Gepard, the Bundeswehr's short to very short-range air defense capabilities have become limited. However, Rheinmetall's lightweight air protection system ensures that this technology remains in service at least until 2025. Rheinmetall plans to expand its portfolio in the near future by developing automatic cannon and guided missiles, as well as high-energy laser weapons. The success of the MANTIS has shown that the company is ready to produce highly developed and efficient weapon systems for modern battlefields. Guardians of the Skies. MANTIS was developed in just 12 months for the German Federal Office of Defense Technology and Procurement. It underwent successful live-fire testing in Turkey during the summer of 2008, operating under real-time conditions. The system has a specific purpose: to defend forward operating bases and other vulnerable military installations, as well as critical civilian infrastructure from aerial threats at low altitudes, including both manned and unmanned aircraft or rocket, artillery, and mortar attacks, the RAM threat. Thus, it was based on the Sky Shield air defense gun system created by Rheinmetall, which is a modular, ground-based, short-range air defense system with automated and flexible features designed for easy transport. MANTIS utilizes the proven Oerlikon Sky Shield air defense technology. It can be deployed to defend national territory, allied nations, and in military operations other than war. It proved valuable in protecting the Bundeswehr's forward operating bases and other facilities during conflict and post-conflict situations, such as the attacks directed against ISAF installations in Afghanistan. Like its predecessor, MANTIS features a modular design, allowing for potential growth. In urgent cases, the radar and gun components can be swiftly transported to the operational area on deployable platforms. In the future, the system can be enhanced by integrating additional weapons like anti-aircraft missiles or high-energy lasers. Silent Sentinel. The NBS MANTIS is a unique and highly advanced air defense system designed to penetrate military bases from incoming missile threats. Equipped with 6 35mm automatic guns, along with a ground control unit and 2 sensor units, MANTIS is a formidable guardian. The entire system is fully automated, and at its heart lies a sophisticated sensor network, which includes radar effectors and electro-optical sensors strategically installed around the base perimeter. This state-of-the-art technology operates tirelessly, ensuring 24/7 protection. The radar sensor within the control system is capable of detecting missiles fired toward the base from a distance of approximately 3 kilometers. Once a threat is identified, the MANTIS system springs into action. Its automated processes swiftly calculate the flight path of the incoming missile, enabling the guns to instantaneously engage the target. With an impressive rate of fire of 1,000 rounds per minute, the 6 automatic guns rain down precise firepower upon the threat. The effectiveness of the MANTIS is enhanced by its mission-specific programmable ahead ammunition. Developed by Rheinmetall Weapons and Munitions, this ammunition carries a payload of 152 tungsten projectiles, each weighing 3.3 grams. The ahead technology enables the MANTIS to track and destroy aerial targets with remarkable accuracy. Upon firing, the MANTIS gun launches a burst of 24 high-velocity ahead rounds, programmed to intercept the target at a specific point. Using a muzzle-based electromagnetic inductor, the projectiles are activated and separated into 152 spin-stabilized sub-projectiles. Each sub-projectile forms a lethal cone-shaped metal cloud in the path of the incoming target. The system boasts an impressive response time of approximately 4.5 seconds, ensuring swift detection and engagement of threats. Additionally, the MANTIS control system is equipped with advanced tracking capabilities, enabling it to monitor the location of assailants, their flight path, and the point of impact. Notably, the MANTIS system's high-performance 35mm revolver guns, paired with ahead airburst ammunition, can be seamlessly integrated into various air defense systems, such as the Sky Shield. These guns have proven their effectiveness in successful operations across NATO countries since 1996. With its automated and precise targeting system, formidable firepower, and advanced ammunition, the MANTIS stands as a vigilant guardian, protecting military bases against missile threats. Bridging borders. In a move to bolster the defense of its eastern border with Ukraine, the Federal Republic of Germany has decided to equip Slovakia with not just one, but 2 sets of the state-of-the-art MANTIS air defense system. This significant gesture serves to fortify the protective capabilities already in place by the armed forces of the Slovak Republic. Comprising each of the 2 systems is an impressive array of up to 8 automatic weapon stations, complemented by 2 radar stations and a command post. To further enhance Slovakia's defense capabilities, the package from the German Air Force also includes an advanced overview radar with an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers, ensuring a comprehensive surveillance capability. Additionally, German experts will provide thorough training to Slovak soldiers, guaranteeing their proficiency in operating and optimizing these cutting-edge systems. What makes this collaboration all the more remarkable is the fact that Slovakia will receive these invaluable assets completely free of charge. This generous act of support is a testament to the strong and amicable relations between Germany and Slovakia, cemented through professional negotiations and a shared commitment to the overarching objectives of NATO. Together, these allied nations aim to reinforce and safeguard the entirety of the eastern border, recognizing its crucial significance within the larger framework of regional security. Embark on a captivating journey into the realm of dark tech. We're thrilled to welcome you aboard. Take a moment to show your enthusiasm by giving us a thumbs up. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to this channel and all the others in the Dark Documentaries family. Stay tuned.